Hello, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. And shout out especially kay Sir Abraham ng Tarlac. Sir, welcome. This is your unit, the Glock 19. This one is the Glock 19 4 series. Two-tone, silver slide, black frame, silver barrel. Comes with 0.23 grams, 4,000 shots. And may kasama na rin siyang green gas. Ito yung kanyang box. Ayan, 4 series, silver slide, black frame, silver barrel, made in Taiwan by WE. Also comes with the owner's manual, the magazine, and the unit. Ayan, Glock 19 4 series, naka fiber optic, serrated set sa taas, serrations naman dito sa may rear and front, cut on slide, stippled grip, naka magwell na rin. Okay, pwede rin siyang lagyan ng flashlight, tracer units. Ayan, mid-size Glock 19 4 series. Okay, lagay tayo ng gas tsaka bala. Okay, lagyan lang natin ng bala. 4 shots. Then test natin yung kanyang muzzle velocity. Okay, again, shout out kay Sir Abraham. This is your unit, sir, the Glock 19 4 series. Punisher skull. Ayan, subcompact. Okay, so tetest natin yung EPS. Okay, Sir Abraham, testing natin yung kanyang EPS, sir. Okay. Pairing 342.4. Ayan. Zoom natin. Okay. One more. 352.9, 332.9, and 342.4. Okay, and then open chamber, release magazine, pull back the slide, hammer down. Shoot pa tayo, sir. Lagyan lang natin ng bala. Okay. Okay, testing Glock 19 4 series by WE. Firing. Okay, open chamber. Release the magazine. Pull back the slide. Hammer down. Okay, so mid-size pistol po siya, no? Yan. Para siyang, ano siya, subcompact. Okay, Glock 19 4 series. Okay, so okay na po ang unit nyo, Sir Abraham. Kung may question po regarding sa inyong unit, message lang sa aming Facebook page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you, sir, and have a nice day.